You are welcome to today's analysis. Market is trading at 27.1k, and I've been talking and updating you on this very channel on Bitcoin price analysis, ETH, ADA, and Matic. Today, I'm also going to talk about what you should be looking out for on the one-day chart. Yesterday, I was talking about retracement. The market is going to retrace. You see this very drop. This is not the actual retracement I was talking about. Another one is still going to come in the market. So what of ETH, ADA, and Matic? All of these and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Also check the channel for more educational content. And on the one-day chart, BTC USDT, you see the market is going to continue to the upside, like I said, because we are still seeing the MACD right here moving to the upside, approaching this level of resistance. And I said you should be paying attention to this very area of resistance on the chart, and that is where I am expecting the market to pause and then begin to come back to the downside. And if we see a breakout above this very line of resistance right at this very point, then it means that the market is going to move to the upside. That means this will automatically be an impulsive move if we see that breakout before continuation, and market is going to move a little bit upward. But we have not seen that yet. I am expecting this market to retrace back down from this very area to the downside on the one-day chart. This is what you should be watching right now. And I'll be also paying attention to the MACD, because the MACD right now is very important. A high or increase in momentum on the MACD histogram also mean that the market is going to still move up. If we begin to see reduced momentum, that will be a very important to pay close attention to, because the market is going to come back to the downside. On the immediate short term, this market is still going to move a little bit upward, approaching this level of $27,700 and $28,000 on the one-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, I told you that market is going to drop down, and from this very area we see the market drop down yesterday, and right now market is moving upward again. I am also very sure that another drop in the market is going to still happen within this very area of resistance, that is this price level of 27.7k and this very area where the market is right now. But it is not anything good to take a buy position within this very zone. So if you do not take the buy position after this retracement to the downside and market begin to move up, no need of taking anything here. Rather, shorting the market from this zone will be a nice idea, because the market is going to definitely move down according to my directional bias. This is what I'm expecting. I don't know about you, but this is what you should be expecting in the market right now. Market should just move a little bit upward, and then we should see retracement back down from this very area to the downside. Market may not just reach here anymore, because I'm beginning to see some price action that indicate that market will begin to drop from where the market is right now in this very zone. So what you should wait for is a bearish candle, first of all, on the 4-hour chart, that indicate that market is going to move to the downside. And notwithstanding, tomorrow is the Fed interest rates, and that very interest rate is very crucial. Remember, last month there was no interest rate decision, but next month on is going to plunge into another phase of the market, because there will be no Fed interest rates next month. Okay, that is October, but we're going to have another Fed interest rate in November. So this month, September interest rate is very important. It's going to ride us into the month of October, where there will be no interest rate decision. And one thing very important as well you need to pay attention to is that this market is very, very volatile right now, and you need to be very cautious about your position. So market is on the upside right now, creating higher highs and higher lows, and it will be a nice time to buy the market, but don't buy the market right here except you see a breakout of this very area of resistance. Then I will also update you on what to do in the market right now. Wait for the market to retrace, because I am expecting the market to retrace from here to the downside before continuation back up again. So wait for that very retracement and then buy from this very area to the upside. So if you do not take a buy from here to the upside, or you not take a buy from here to the upside, wait for the market to retrace into this zone, and then the next move will be a good area to buy from this very zone. Remember, this is support level at this very area, and this was resistance right here, and this was also resistance at this very point. This is what you need to watch right now on your chart. And on the ETH 4-hour chart, look at the market failed to create a new high right now. Market is still moving to the upside nevertheless, but I am expecting a failure to create a new high higher than this previous high at this very area. And what that also means is that market is going to begin to go down. So once we see that very failure to create a new high higher than this very high at this very point, then it will be a nice time to short the market. Right now, wait for the market to go up a little bit, because market is still going to move a little bit to the upside and then retracement back down, and then market come into this very zone of support right here, and this very area of spike right here will be a very nice point to take a buy position on this very pair to the upside. And I am going to update you as well. So right now market is going to move a little bit upward and then come back down for a nice retracement on ETH USDT 4-hour chart right now. And on the other chart, I told you to pay attention to this very zone of important resistance, and that market is going to definitely obey this very line of resistance, and that is what you should pay attention to right now. Market is gradually moving into this very area of resistance, and right now pay attention to the market moving down. Like I said in my immediate last video on the channel, that the market is going to approach this very area, and we are going to see the market begin to drop right down from this very zone of important resistance before the next move to the upside. And if you see the market break this level of resistance, this very area right here, and create a new high, that will be a new phase of the market as well, and market is going to continue that very movement to the upside after the breakout, because this very area on the chart is very important. So expect the market to retrace back down for a good retracement. That is what I am expecting on the immediate short term before the market is going to move up again. And if the market break out on this very zone of resistance right here, market is still going to move to the upside also on ETH. And on the Matic chart, if you look at it, I told you to look at the market, and that we're going to see the market increase into this very zone. If you watch this very video on the channel right here that I dropped yesterday, you should agree with me that the market is going exactly as predicted, and I said you should watch this very area of important resistance, and that is where I am expecting the market to enter before the next retracement in the market. So for Matic USDT chart 4-hour, the market is still going to move a little bit into this area and then drop back to the downside. This is what you should be watching right now on the chart. Market is going to move a little bit here and then move right down. That means if you did not take a buy position all the way from this area, there is no need taking a buy position anymore, except you are a scalper. Even though you are a day trader, there is no need taking a buy position, since you will leaving your trade for hours or few hours or thereabouts, because market is going to move into here and then drop from this place to the downside. Watch this very video carefully, and the market is going to obey as predicted. This is my directional bias. You can also have your own that contradict what I am talking about right here on this channel. So what do you think on the 4-hour and 1-day chart Bitcoin, especially on the 1-day chart right here? Do you think this market is going to move to the upside as we wait tomorrow for the Fed interest rate decision to be taken? Either there is going to be a 25 basic points rate hike, or interest rate is going to remain unchanged. Do you think the market is going to move to the downside, in as much as we have seen significant increase in the market from here to the upside before the rate hike? Or interest rate unchanged? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.